Hello everyone, welcome back. If you are an Android user and want to see the Play Store download history, then do the following steps. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. First of all, what we have to do, we are going to launch Play Store. After launching the Play Store, we are going to tap on the profile icon in top right corner. Here you will see a lot of options, but we are going to choose the first one, manage app and device. On the next page, we are going to tap again manage. On that page, you will see all the installed app on your Android device. And if you want to see the update available, then tap on update available. Then the system shows you the application that updates are available. That's it. With this method, you can see the download history of Google Play Store on your Android device. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.